Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Last round, a few days ago, Appa made a Penang char kway teow, and then many people told me that Appa, you can actually use the same way to stir fry mee, yeah, just mee alone or bihun mee. So today I'm going to do the mee version. So here I have approximately about 300 grams of yellow noodles here. The difference about the yellow noodles I'm using today is that this is the type of yellow noodle that doesn't contain alkali water. So it is fine even when you stir fry a little bit long. The alkali, you won't get the alkali unpleasant taste, okay? So I quick rinse with some water only. And then let's take a look at the ingredient we need. I have some prawns, this is lapchong, some minced garlic, and also pork lard and crispy pork lard, eggs, bean sprout and chives at the bottom. And then these are the sauce, yeah, very easy. Some chili giring, which is any kind of blended chili that you can find. Then we have some light soya sauce, dark soya sauce, pepper. Salt, I find sometimes is optional. And you need a bit of water to pull everything together. Right, first of all, get ready a wok. Let's put in the pork lard and the garlic. I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil here. And let's heat it up. Once the garlic is heated, or the oil is heated up, we can actually put in the prawn, Chinese sausage. This is the tamale of the prawn, yeah? I leave it there. Personal preference. It is a delicacy to some. If you don't like it, remove it. To Chinese is what we call prawn yellow, yeah? Xia huang. Later, after it is cooked, it will become orangey in color. See? It is orangey in color right now. We will cook the prawn for approximately about 1 minute before we continue. So meaning the prawn will be somewhere around 50% cooked. Alright, now we can actually put in the noodle. The chives and also bean sprout. And I'm going to push everything to the side. Put in 2 eggs. And we are going to give it some seasoning. Light soya sauce. Some dark soya sauce. Some chili giring. I'm going to give it some fine salt, just a little bit. You can put in my Cooking Appa chicken salt powder also. Few dashes of white pepper. Ooh. Break the egg. And you're going to cover, push the noodles over onto the egg. Let it rest a little bit. Put it on high heat. Now I'm going to join everything together. I probably won't use any water at all. We'll see. If it's too dry, I'll probably add a little bit of water. The more water you add in, basically the less wok hei you will you're going to get. Yeah. Let me just give you a bit of water. Almost done. Oh, super fragrant. Alright. It's basically done once everything is nicely mixed up together evenly. Maybe right before serving, I would still give it a little bit of few dashes of white pepper. Done. Ready to be served. See how simple it is to make a Penang style char noodles at home. Alright, so here's my very simple Penang style char noodles at home, char mee. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Oh, by the way, you can add some fried egg, of course, yeah? If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.